Hey everyone, this is Larry from wstrades.com doing a end of the day update on Nasdaq, or more specifically the QQQ Nasdaq ETF. So I did a video this morning and I pointed out some key levels to look at to see if this sell-off was over, if this thing's kind of bottomed out, what's going to happen. And I pointed out this level, which I took the fibs off, but I did have the Fibonacci retracement tool that I drew on the weekly, and it was from this level to the high that we had made. And it was, as you can see today, hit that 100% retracement level and just ended up buying up through it. And so I actually did something, probably shouldn't do. I didn't wait for confirmation, but once I saw that we were about to hit this 100% retracement, and just think this thing being oversold right now, and I think this is like a almost 9% sell-off from the highs, I actually did a bullish strategy using I sold the at the money put spread, because I had noticed this as well, and I pointed this out in the video this morning as well, that it would be a very nice bullish sign if the price action could close above this trend line that I had drawn from all the way back from November of last year, and then it connects to the low that we had on March of this year. And as you can see, it's respected this line quite a few times. We had this just massive rally afterwards. So I thought, all right, if this thing comes down and can close above this, then I'll be all right. So I opened my position up, not knowing if it was going to close above that like 132, or what are we at? Or 150. Oh my God, I can't talk. 352 level. And I text James this morning, or when we were kind of having a sell off again, and I said, dude, this thing needs to finish above 352 for me to feel comfortable in my positions, because I'm long TQQQ as well. So yeah, I'm really bullish on QQQ right now. I think this has been enough of a sell-off that we're going to start seeing a nice substantial move higher, and just knowing that it's respecting this trend line that's been drawn out for almost a year now is a really good bullish sign. And actually futures just opened up, so let's see what everyone else thinks about it. Yeah, and you can see Q's ripping out of the gate. So yeah, I'm probably going to be really good with the position I put on. I sold the at the money puts, like I said, and at close, because they had ripped from where I had sold them, which was, I think the price action was around 350, or the price was around 350 when I sold the spread, and then you just had this like 0.5% rip going into close. So by the end of the day, because it was a short-term contract, so I just did them into Friday so that I could have theta help eat away at the contract price. I was already up 20% on it, so we'll see. Yeah, I think that this sell-off has kind of stopped right now. You're oversold. Everything, looking at price action is telling me that we're going to have a nice bounce up from here. I know Facebook had, and I think it was like a 5% sell-off today almost, because they had the outage, and even them, they hit, a lot of the tech stocks hit where I was thinking it was going to be a nice support level. So I'm thinking, tech stocks and Nasdaq going to start making a nice move higher. So we'll see. Let me see what the futures are doing now. Yeah, so Nasdaq up 0.23% right now. Hopefully this thing, I'd love to see this thing go up like, let's just get it all back. Let's go up 3% tomorrow. But yeah, so right now, I think this is a very bullish sign that we sold off to this key trend line and support level. I'm thinking Nasdaq's going to start ripping. So thanks for watching.